what I do? I wouldn't disrespect you and your girl like that. You think it's all fucking cute? No, you basically destroyed our relationship. She had one goddamn chance to make it up to me.
And this was the chance. I fucked it up. Don't blame her, blame me.
I'm angry at both of you because she let it happen.
I forced myself to come up here.
You took advantage of her when she was drunk.
I did.
You said you would forgive both of us.
I take
this is not very
He John too, though.
You didn't even
You
give him a
set
chance.
this up.
No, she didn't.
How did you know she was here?
Because I got her location. It's on Snapchat, man.
Free 99. You got to use Snapchat.
I popped up there. I
filters. You can't use a Snapchat filter without your location being on.
I thought we were all good, Mark. That's why. Yeah, I think we should,
Please,
man.
Mark.
Give him a.
I don't know if it's yours. I mean, we were going through a rough patch, okay? And I thought we were gonna get in the divorce already, and
so you went. You slept with other guys?
Just 3 guys. I mean, not all of them ended this way. Not all of them ended this way.
Why the fuck are you still in my life if you slept with 3 guys?
Please stop. Please, I'm pregnant.
Why?
Please, can you? This is why I asked you not to get mad.
I don't care if you're pregnant or not. You get the fuck out.
No, listen. It was. I told you it was during when we had a rough patch, and I thought you were already done with me.
Come on, keep on, come on, go do it again.
I do what I want to do. I do what I want to do. I do what you recording for like that. Because
when I beat your ass, I'm going to jail. Quit putting your fucking hands on me.
Okay, I don't care. I don't care. I do what I want to freaking do, and I'm going to keep doing that.
Hey, your daddy tell you, your uncle, all that shit tell you, bro. You so mad that you feel like you got to hit me. Call them niggas.
Stop touching me.
Call them niggas.
They don't tell me that. And why you just touching me?
Call them.
Let your camera see that you freaking touching me.
That you got it. Put your hands on me. Go on, call them. The fuck? Quit putting your fucking hands on me. Come on.
This goes to all the young men out there. If you don't leave this modern female alone and go out there to face your grind so you can become a better person, you will eventually end up in jail or worse still in body bags. These women are just not meant for relationship. If you continue to tolerate her, one day you will live to regret it.
What is all that?
You should go eat. Stop. Oh my God, stop. What the fuck? See, it's fine. Can you stop fucking filming me now?
No. Why is the window open?
It was hot. I don't know. What the fuck?
It's snowing outside. What is all that?
Why?
In the car, Shania.
She doesn't want to get in the car with you, bro.
Bro, she broke my mirror.
That sucks.
Shania, get in the car.
My last girlfriend broke my heart. Dude, don't touch her again. Shania.
Okay, can you come to the car? Just come to the car. Come to the car. It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Come on.
You're gonna say,
I'm not. I don't want to fight. Shania, I don't want to fight.
I'm walking away from you and you.
Shania, I just don't want to fight.
With shit like this, I walk
I don't want to fight.
You want to do this.
I don't want to fight.
Shit.
I just want to talk.
Go home.
I just want to talk. Shania, I want to talk. Like
bro,
you're
you know
tripping.
I hate the police, bro. And you just won't go the fuck home.
I just want to talk. You
no,
broke
you
my
don't,
mirror.
Robert. Your mirror is still intact.
Shania, it's loose. You broke it.
Bro, when are you gonna get it? This lady is not in love with you. Women don't treat the men they love like that. They will never walk away from him, even if he tells them to. Grow up and go build your self-esteem.
How many guys you knocking down on spring break?
I was telling the girls I'm going for 30 count, 3 during the day, 2 at night.
Holy shit, knocking down 5 guys in a night?
Yeah.
How many guys you knocking down on spring break?
4 during the day, 5 at night, just to one-up her.
Holy shit, you guys are in a competition for bodies?
Correct, sir. We like to be a little competitive.
Gay Sun. Gay Sun is up 1 billion points right now. They're making a meteoric rise because how your daughter, where did you fail as a father to have your daughter trying to knock down 30 guys within a 5-day span? That is patient zero right there. Begging on her hands and knees for STDs. Unfucking believable.
I'm a 35-year-old woman watching cartoons on a Monday, booking a solo cruise vacation. Something in my life has either gone really right or really wrong.
Responded after a man requested help removing his ex-girlfriend from his property. She claimed she lived there, but he reported they were no longer together and that she did not reside at the home.
I promise you this is the last opportunity. You go to jail, you're going to sit in jail, and we don't want to hear you crying and saying, I won't do it again, because at that point we've crossed that line of departure. You're going to sit there and you're not going to come back out there.
Come on.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please don't.
You're going to go to jail.
Touch me.
Walk out or you're going to jail. Walk.
Walk.
We're not. Walk.
Don't touch me. I don't want to.
There you go.
Right after that interaction, she ran away and locked herself inside her car. A mistake that she will come to regret very soon.
I'm not doing anything. Oh, please. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. I'm leaving. Okay, I promise I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Ow, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I promise I'm leaving.
Stop.
Ow! I'm leaving. Ow, I'm leaving. Okay.
So quickly, I'm going to take you down.
Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. I'm leaving. Ow!
Take her down. This one's good.
I said I would leave.
Yeah, too late. We gave you like 1,000
You told me
opportunities.
to get out of the car. And that's what I did. I got out of my car.
No, you got out of your car because you tried to chase her.
I wasn't.
We gave you every opportunity, ma'am.
Everything on my record, please. I'm going to leave! Please, I'm scared! Please, I can't. Please help me.
No, we're past that.
I promise I will be free. I can't do this to my family. I can't do this to my family. Please. 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 Ow. Ow. Ow.
Stop kicking. Stop kicking
Ow.
me. Stop kicking me.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Ah! Oh my God!
You're going to jail. You're telling us that. We're giving you 1,000 chances.
And I'm leaving. I know. I waited. I promise I will leave. I'm so serious. I don't want to do this to my family.
Stop resisting.
Please.
Now you're resisting. You're resisting arrest. That's another charge.